Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of the best Forex brokers in the UK, Owanda, Pepperstone, 8cap, and eToro. If you're looking to step into the world of Forex trading in the United Kingdom or you're searching for the most reliable platforms in 2025, this video is for you. We'll break down each platform's features, the fees, the regulation strength, and what makes them stand out in the ever-evolving Forex markets. So let's dive right in. We start with Owanda. It was founded in 1996 and is one of the oldest and most respected Forex brokers globally. It's known for its transparency, strong research tools, and user-friendly trading experience. It has over 70 currency pairs, including majors, minors, and some exotics. It offers MetaTrader 4, TradingView, and its own web-based platform with premium charting and economic overlay tools. There are exceptional research tools, including API access, live news feeds, and market analysis. And the mobile app is clean, responsive, and full-featured. Now, what is the pricing like? There is no minimum deposit to open an account, and the spread-only pricing starts from about 1.0 pipe on major pairs. There are no commission on trades, and costs are built into spreads. Why does Owanda stand out? It stands out because it offers direct market access feel with deep liquidity, and it's excellent for both beginners and advanced traders. Now let us talk about Pepperstone. Pepperstone is based in Australia, but it serves UK clients through its partnerships and global operations. It is known for its lightning fast trade execution, raw spreads, and support for multiple platforms. For example, it offers MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and CTrader platforms. Ultra-tight spreads with fast execution is a major feature and is great for scalpers and high-frequency traders. It supports automated trading, expert advisors, and copy trading via DupliTrade and MyFXBook. There are educational resources and 24/5 multilingual support available. What is the pricing like on Pepperstone? There are two basic account types, the standard account and the razor account. On the standard account, there is no commission, and spreads start from 1.0 pipes. For the razor accounts, spreads start from 0.0 pipes plus $3.5 commission per lot per side. There are no deposit or withdrawal fees, but third-party fees may apply. Why is Pepperstone among the best? Because it is perfect for scalping and algorithmic trading due to low latency. It is highly regarded for tight spreads and deep liquidity, an increasing presence among the UK-based traders via the international partnerships. Next, we talk about 8cap, the CFD powerhouse. 8cap is a rising star. It is headquartered in Australia, but is gaining popularity globally. It's especially loved by traders who want access to both Forex and a wide range of CFDs, including cryptocurrency, indices, stocks, and commodities. It has over 40 currency pairs and over 500 CFDs. It supports MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 trading platforms with seamless desktop, web, and mobile apps. On 8cap, you have access to TradingView, Capitalize.ai for no-code automation, and robust charting tools. There's high leverage options depending on the jurisdiction. Now, what is the pricing like? On the standard accounts, you have spreads from 1.0 pipes, and there are no commissions. On the raw account, you have spreads from 0.0 pipes with $3.5 commission per lot by side. There are free deposits and withdrawals available depending on the method you choose. Why does 8cap stand out? It is excellent for multi-asset traders, not just Forex, and there are automated trading and integrations that make it appealing to both tech-savvy and casual traders. There's also increasing popularity among those that are trading crypto and commodities about 8cap. Lastly, we talk about eToro, which is a social and copy trading leader. eToro is a globally recognized platform that is famous for pioneering social trading. While direct Forex trading is limited under the UK regulations, eToro offers crypto and stock CFDs and the modified trading model to comply with American laws. eToro's strength lies in community-driven investments and is ideal for beginner to intermediate users. eToro supports Forex, stocks, ETFs, commodities, and crypto depending on your jurisdiction. There's a copy trader system that lets you replicate the trades of top investors with a single click. There's rich social interface with trade feeds, news and comment threads, and it is beginner friendly with low learning curve. Now, what is the pricing like? Forex and CFD spreads vary by region and assets, but can start from 1 pipe or higher. The account opening fee is free and the management fees are free. For the withdrawal fee, an amount is attached, and there's an inactivity fee of $10 per month. Now, the inactivity fee applies to accounts that do not have any logins in the previous 12 months. To find out more about the pricing, check out the website. Now, why does eToro stand out? eToro is best for new traders who want to learn by watching others. It is a great platform for diversified trading, especially if you want exposure to crypto and equities. There's a strong global community with regular educational webinars and market updates. And that's it on the review of the best Forex brokers in the UK. So which of these would we say is the best? It really depends on your trading goals and experience, because each broker offers a unique flavor. It might be tight spreads, copy trading, or automation. So the best one really depends on what you value most in your trading journey. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.